The letter is A. You can say A. Now say A is for apple. A is for apple. Here you can see real apples. These are apples. The letter is B. You can say B. Now say B is for bull. B is for bull. Here you can see children playing with many balls. The letter is C. You can say C. Now say C is for cat. C is for cat. Here you can see a real cat. This is a cat. The letter is D. You can say D. Now say D is for dog. D is for dog. Here you can see a real dog. This is a dog. The letter is E. You can say E. Now say E is for elephant. E is for elephant. Here you can see a real elephant. This is an elephant. The letter is F. You can say F. Now say F is for fish. F is for fish. Here you can see many fish. These are all fish. The letter is G. You can say G. Now say G is for giraffe. G is for giraffe. Here you can see many giraffe. These are all giraffe. The letter is H. You can say H. Now say H is for horse. H is for horse. Here you can see many horse. These are all horse. The letter is I. You can say I. Now say I is for ice cream. I is for ice cream. Here you can see the little girl eating ice cream. The letter is J. You can say J. Now say J is for juice. J is for juice. Here you can see orange juice. This is juice. The letter is K. You can say K. Now say K is for kite. K is for kite. Here you can see a little girl flying a kite. The letter is L. You can say L. Now say L is for lion. L is for lion. Here you can see a real lion. This is a lion. The letter is M. You can say M. Now say M is for monkey. M is for monkey. Here you can see a real monkey. This is a monkey. The letter is N. You can say N. Now say N is for nest. N is for nest. Here you can see the bird sitting in its nest. This is a nest. The letter is O. You can say O. Now say O is for ostrich. O is for ostrich. Here you can see a real ostrich. This is an ostrich. The letter is P. You can say P. Now say P is for penguin. P is for penguin. Here you can see a real penguin. This is a penguin. The letter is Q. You can say Q. Now say Q is for quack. Q is for quack. Here you can see two real ducks. Ducks say quack, quack. The letter is R. You can say R. Now say R is for rooster. R is for rooster. Here you can see a real rooster. This is a rooster. The letter is S. You can say S. Now say S is for sheep. S is for sheep. Here you can see a real sheep. This is a sheep. The letter is T. You can say T. Now say T is for Tigger. T is for Tigger. Here you can see a real Tigger. This is a Tigger. The letter is U. Can you say U? Now say U is for unicorn. U is for unicorn. Here you can see a unicorn. This is a unicorn. The letter is V. Can you say V? Now say V is for vulture. V is for vulture. Here you can see many vultures. These are all vulture. The letter is W. Can you say W? Now say W is for wolf. W is for wolf. Here you can see a real wolf. This is the wolf. The letter is X. Can you say X? Now say X is for Zerus. X is for Zerus. Here you can see a real Zerus. This is a Zerus. The letter is Y. Can you say Y? Now say Y is for yak. Y is for yak. Here you can see real yak. These are all yak. is Z. Can you say Z? Now say, Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra. Here you can see many zebra. These are all zebra. Thanks for watching this video. Please join our family, Fantasy Preschool ABC Kids.